Hey guys, tired of random workouts but no results? This video is for you. Here are the only 6 compound exercises you need in 2026 to build muscle, burn fat, and get stronger. Exercise 1. Squat, the king of lower body. Targets quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. Chest up, knees over toes, sit back like a chair. That's proper form. Don't let knees cave in or round your back. Keep everything aligned. Exercise 2. Deadlift. Builds back, glutes, and hamstrings. Hinge at hips, back flat, drive through heels. Never round your lower back. Keep a neutral spine. Exercise 3. Bench press, chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lower with control. No bench? Do push-ups. Keep body straight like a plank. Exercise 4. Pull-ups. Build a strong, wide back and biceps. Alternative, bent over row. Pull to your hip and squeeze. Exercise 5. Lunges. Great for strong legs and balance. Exercise 6. Plank. Builds serious core strength. Do 3 to 4 rounds. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between exercises. These are the only 6 exercises you need in 2026. Comment your goal and let's get started.